But I think you're a signature, the brap.
Yeah, I'm always going brat.
When we did that, like, there's that one where we did the full distortion.
Yeah.
And the back end brap. That one where I fucking dab. There's just so many of those fucking.
I don't know why I do that. I just do.
It's an inside joke stuff, and it's obviously because we always ride together.
It just comes out naturally. Brap.
Well, that's what I mean, and that's good content because you can't fake that shit. Everybody knows when you're faking it.
All right, so I'm not gonna go as fast because I gotta try to remember. So I want to try to clean this. There's the rock drop we gotta do.
So you're gonna stop at the right where it goes down long before the dog leg, and we'll regroup and brake there, or do you just want to just slow through there and brake check, and just take that rock drop?
I'm just gonna take it so we can try to clear the whole trail.
I'll be right behind you, having fun. So,
because I haven't taken that. I've done the rock drop, but I haven't done that other drop where I normally go right.
All you need to do is try
I'll just stay left.
Fucking get as high left as you can. The whole world is your oyster.
I just gotta remember that one.
There's that cut too.
Oh, fist bump. Ooh, that's all broken up. Ooh, this is rougher too. Woo! It looks kind of beat up from compared to last time I was here. Is this it right here? Oh, it's left, okay. Left of the rock. Oh, I see it, okay. Oh, that's way easier. That's way easier than the other way I'm going. Oh shit, foot dab. Oh, that was close. That was a almost eat shit moment right there. All right, rock drops right here. Slow up. Oh shit! Almost another crash. Goddamn. Woo! Oh shit! Yeah! Complete! I got a squeak in my butt. What the hell? I can hear it. Yeah! Full pull.
That's how you connect the dots.
Hell yeah.
Nice job, bro. You're gone.